Have you ever wondered if skipping breakfast makes you gain weight? Well, let's bust some nutrition myths today. Contrary to popular belief, breakfast isn't the most important meal of the day. In fact, studies suggest that eating when you're genuinely hungry, not by the clock, can be a healthier approach. And what about that late-night snack you're craving? While eating late at night isn't ideal, it doesn't automatically lead to weight gain. What matters more is the quality and quantity of the food you eat throughout the day. Speaking of food, let's talk about fats. No, not all fats are bad for you. In fact, healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and fish are crucial for our body's function. Remember, it's all about balanced nutrition. Your body needs a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats to function properly. So, as you can see, not all common beliefs around food and nutrition are accurate. Now that we've cleared up some misconceptions, you might be wondering, what exactly is nutrition? Well, let's dive right in. At its core, nutrition is the science of how your body uses the food you eat. Yes, that's right, we're talking about the nuts and bolts of our daily meals. First off, we have the big three: proteins, carbs, and fats. These are our macronutrients. Proteins are the building blocks, helping repair and build tissues. Carbs, they're the body's main source of energy, powering you through your day, and fats, despite their bad rep, are essential for nutrient absorption and brain function. But let's not forget the little guys, the micronutrients. Vitamins and minerals, although needed in smaller amounts, play crucial roles in every body function. They boost the immune system, support growth and development, and help cells and organs do their jobs. Remember, your body needs a mix of all these nutrients to function optimally. You now know what nutrients are, but how do you ensure you're getting them in the right amounts? Balanced eating is like a jigsaw puzzle. You need all the pieces in the right place to see the big picture, and each piece, that's a nutrient. The key is variety. Think about your plate as a rainbow of colors, with each hue representing a different nutrient. Bask in the reds of tomatoes, full of lycopene, and the oranges of carrots, brimming with beta-carotene. Feast on the greens of spinach, packed with iron, and the purples of blueberries, rich in antioxidants. Don't forget about your proteins, grains, and fats. They're the foundations of your meals. Opt for lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats like avocados and olives. And remember, balance isn't about deprivation, it's about moderation. You can enjoy that slice of cake or scoop of ice cream, just not every day. Achieving a balanced diet isn't about perfection, it's about consistency and making healthy choices most of the time. Ever had those midnight cravings for a chocolate bar or a bag of chips? Well, there's a science behind those irresistible urges. Our bodies have a complex network of hormones and brain chemicals that play a significant role in food cravings. When we crave certain foods, it's often because our body is lacking a specific nutrient. For instance, craving chocolate could be a signal that your body needs more magnesium. Hormones also play a part in this. Ghrelin, known as the hunger hormone, stimulates appetite, while leptin sends signals to the brain to stop eating. When these hormones are out of balance, it can lead to cravings. Then there's our brain's reward system. Eating foods high in sugar, fat, and salt releases dopamine, a feel-good chemical, which makes us want to repeat the experience. But here's the good news. Understanding the science behind cravings can help us manage them better. By incorporating a balanced diet and regular exercise, we can keep our hormones in check and reduce cravings. Cravings are normal, but understanding why they happen can help you make healthier choices.